Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in today to Tiffkneebaby TV. I have a new unit for you today that I'm going to be reviewing courtesy of Beauty Nation. So before we get started, I want you to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to give this video a big like. We're going to jump right in so that you can watch me work. Alright, so the unit that I'm going to be sharing with you today is from Beshe. We have LLDP Arch 2, and I have her in the color OT Wine. This is an ombre two-tone color, and this was what it looks like. This unit did come with ear-to-ear lace, which I have already cut off. It has a 6-inch deep curved part. It is a right side part. Here is what that parting space looks like right out of the package. I haven't done any plucking, any powder, no lace tint spray. The only thing that I have done to this unit was to cut a small V right there into the front to help camouflage the line of demarcation. This unit is curling iron safe up to 400 degrees as well. You'll get 2 combs in the front, one right there next to that part, the other one near your ear. You'll also get a comb in the back with your adjustable straps. Again, you know I love a wefted cap so that we can breathe and we can scratch our scalps, because I don't know about you, but my head gets itchy sometimes. Straight onto my head, this is beyond big head friendly. This is gigantic head friendly. I ended up adjusting the straps to bring them in much tighter. I could have taken it tighter, but it's still very loose. It's still sliding around on my head, but if you guys have a large head, this is perfect for you. This Beshe line, I've already reviewed Fanny from this line and I was a huge fan, and the texture on this unit is just as nice. This hair is so luxurious. This feels so similar to human hair. It's very much a yucky texture. I'm not getting any tangling. I'm only shedding a couple of strands. There's not really any burgundy or wine hair in this brush at all. This is right out of the package, you guys. All I did was cut the lace. That bump is just a little bit harder than what I would like, so I'm gonna just run my flat iron through that lightly just to straighten those front pieces out just a little bit. I'm also going to use my hot comb to try to take this hump down a little bit. There aren't any filler hairs in there, but the tracks are laid extremely close together, so I don't know how much of that density we'll be able to take down. So here's one dope thing that I just realized about this unit. This stock card actually came with lace tape. This is double-sided lace tape. Have you ever seen this before? I've never seen the unit come with double-sided lace tape before. This also actually has instructions for you on how you can install this unit using this lace tape, and I think that that is pretty cool. That's a great value. It'll save you from having to use your gut to be glued, and for some people this might be a preferable option if you're afraid of using glue or hairspray or anything like that that might damage your edges. I'll definitely have to check this out next time. I'm sorry that I didn't realize this until just now, but shout out to Beshe for providing some lace tape. Yes. Now I'm really happy with the way that this parting space looks, but I am still going to apply a little bit of powder into that. I did not use my lace tint spray. This is all this unit. I'm going to use just a little bit of my Easy Edges Control Gel in order to lay this edge down. As always, all of the products and the tools that I use will be listed down in the description box for you to check them out, and you can purchase most of them directly from the beautynation.shop. That will be linked down below as well. Alright, so here are my final thoughts on Arch 2. Official. Go ahead and add her to your collection. This definitely comes in your natural black colors, but it also comes in some really fun colors as well, including an OT Lemonade, a Rose, an RT2 Honey Blonde, Platinum, and Plum. So make sure you guys check out this unit. Look at the other units that are in this line, you guys. Don't sleep on underrated lines because this is really, really nice. The texture of this unit is amazing. I'm not getting any shedding. I'm not getting any tangling. Definitely check out Beshe. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope that you enjoyed this review. Make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up. Drop me a comment. Let me know that you've seen it and that you are rocking with Tiffkneebaby TV. Thanks so much for watching, loves. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye, friends.